A buddy of mine needed a set of cornhole boards for the 4th of July, so I thought while I was making a set for him, I would go ahead and make us a set. I like to use the track saw, if you have it, to get a nice straight edge before running through the table saw. The measurements on regulation cornhole board is 2 foot by 4 foot. So for the 6-inch hole, I'm marking 9 inches down from the top and 12 inches from the edge. Careful with this 6-inch bit. Really got to use both hands for it. I've seen cornhole boards made with 3/4 inch thick material, so 1x material, but I had some 2x4s laying around, and I don't like the cheap cornhole boards that wobble around. These are super heavy and very stable. Regulation boards are 12 inches high, so I just cut a test piece at a 12-degree angle, just trying to get my angle and measure it to see if I have the right height. It's kind of like a trial by error. So, question for you guys. Ouch. What do you think? How do I keep those feet from moving when because it's at a 15-degree angle and they go backwards? So, what do you guys think? I think I need to level it where I like it and then put a string, like staple a string to the underside to hold it so it doesn't slip. Thanks for watching.